Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel SS Learn Java Programming. First of all, we create the class. After that, write the main method. Here, scanner class is used to get user input. System.out.println enter your raw size int raw equal to next int. System.out.println enter your column size int call equal to next int. Next int. Here I am using for loop because number of iterations is fixed. We use for loop. Here I am using else if I less than equal to j condition true అయితే system.out.println it will print the star, else it will print the space. Now I am executing the program. Raw size is I am enter raw size 5 and column size is 5. This is the output. I less than equal to j. 1 less than equal to 1 condition true, it will print star. 1 plus 1 less than equal to 2 condition true, it will print star. 1 less than equal to 3, it will return true, it will print star. 3 less than equal to 2 condition false, it will return empty space. 4 less than equal to 2 false condition false, it will return empty space. 2 less than equal to 4 condition true, it will print star. 5 less than equal to 5 condition true.